Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Naseem with me today. Something extraordinary. He was just aiming for 6 each for his visa and he has got 7 each. Very first attempt. Congratulations, Naseem.
Thank you, thank you, thank
Very
you so
well
much.
done. Inspiring story. I remember you were too focused. We had a limit for 2 hours in the lab, and you used to get home, bring your own laptop, and sit hold in the lab. You used to practice a lot. You have got 7 each in the first attempt, and when students normally aim for 6 each, they're not that serious.
Yeah.
Why were you that serious, and why you had this thing in your mind that yes, doesn't matter what it takes, I have to do it in the very first attempt?
Yeah, because I was very much prepared for to get a high as much as higher score I can get. Because it was not my aim to get only 6. It was not very much impressive score. So I wanted to get as much as a high score, like 8 or 7, something like that. So I was preparing for this thing to get at least 7 or 8 score. So that's why my focus was on to get a higher score. I got my say.
That's right. So you were basically aiming for the maximum you could have done.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
It's not like if I want 6 each, I'll just focus on 50. If you're aiming for 8 each as well, you need to make sure that you focus on 90. If you focus on a bigger target, you will end up getting your score.
Yeah.
But if you'll just aim for 50, you won't really work hard, and then you are not going to get the score. Very important, you set targets for yourself and work hard to achieve the targets. How important are lab sessions? You were quite regular to the lab sessions. You practiced a lot.
Right,
How important are lab sessions?
I think lab session is the most important part of this preparation, because you can learn the techniques and how to attempt the paper is in a very one go in 1 hour or half an hour. But practice a lot. You get concept of the paper, and the practice different questionnaires and all. It makes you more comfortable and more proficient in your.
That's right. So basically, you get used to the strategies, because in the class you will come to know what strategies are.
Yeah.
But in the lab, you'll implement the same strategies,
right.
and you'll come to know what mistakes you're making. Because a lot of time, what happens, we think that yes, I'm doing this thing perfect, but that's not actually right.
Right.
So it's very important that yes, you practice the strategies and implement the strategies, and at the same time get the feedback.
Yeah, in lab session there are a lot of tutors are available to help you out. If you have any confusion, then they can help you out. That's why the lab session is very important.
So basically, feedback is very
very important. Yeah.
Naseem, any final advice for students who are aiming for 6 or even aiming for 8? With your experience, if you can give any advice to them, will be very helpful, please.
Yeah, my advice is the only thing that practice a lot and come to the here in institute. And because here is an environment that everyone is doing preparation. Don't feel lazy and stay at home. Don't do that. Come here regularly, take help from the tutors, and practice a lot. This is the only thing I can say. Practice a lot. Practice makes you perfect, as you know that.
That's right. That's right. So basically, practicing in the right environment is very important, because we think that yes, I'll sit at home and practice, but if you don't get the environment, you are not that productive, you're not that efficient.
Right.
So it's very important you have the right environment, and tutors will give you feedback and give you the right direction. Guys, if you're aiming for 6, 7 or 8, you need to make sure you have targets and you practice like he did. He used to sit a lot in the lab. He used to practice a lot. He has taken a number of mock tests and he has scored 7 each, very first attempt, only aiming for 6. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
All the very best. That's it from this video, guys. I'll see you very soon. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.